Welcome to this video on long division involving larger numbers. So this question can be written in one of two ways. It could be written in the traditional format here where they're just saying 74,297 divided by 83, or it can be given to you in the bus stop method. And we're going to be using the bus stop method to solve this problem the easiest way. Okay, now in order to do this, we need to know our 83 times table. So in order to do that, I'm going to write it down first of all. Now, I do not know my 83 times table. So in order to do this, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to add 80 and then I'm going to add 3. So the shortcut I'm going to do is add on 80 and then add on 3 each step. That will make it easier for me to calculate every time. Okay, so it's important that I do all the table up to and including 10 because I'll use the 10 as a check. Now, it can be easier if you do it in two steps. Some people like to write this here. So I'm going to put 163 plus the 3 is 166. Add on the 80 gives me 246. Add on the 3 gives me 249. Add on the 80 gives me 329. Add on the 3 gives me 332. And if I repeat this, carrying on using the same method all the way, it's much quicker than trying to add on 83 at each step. Okay, 578 gives me 581. 661 will give me 664. 744 will give me 747, and finally 827 will give me 830. The reason for doing the full table down to 10 is that I can check 83 times 10 is indeed 830, and I can also, if I take 830 and divide it by 2 quickly, okay, get 1 carried across there, gives me 415, which is what 5 times is. So I'm checking my table as I go along, so I know I've got that correct. So we're starting looking at the bus stop method. So we do 83s into 7, doesn't go. 83s into 74, still doesn't go. So now I do 84s into 742. Going down my list, it's not quite 9, so I have to do 8 lots, which is 664. Okay, now at this point, I send down the next digit, which brings the 9 there, and I do a subtraction sum. 2 take away 4 doesn't go, so I have to take 1 from here to make it 12. Take away 4 is 8. 3 take away 6, again I cannot do, so I must take 1. 13 take away 6 is 7. And now I have 83s into 789. Going down my list, the largest amount I can take off is 9 lots of that. So I put the 9 there, and I'm taking away 747. Okay, again, I send down the next digit, which is the 7, and I do 9 minus 7 is 2, and 8 minus 4 is 4. So, at this point, we now have to do 83s into 427. Going down my list, the largest number I can do there is 5 lots. Okay, now, this time though, we must take away again, because you will see it doesn't become 0. So this number will have a remainder. 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So, this number down here becomes the remainder. Okay, as 83 doesn't go into 12, we are left with 12. So we write this as 895 remainder 12. Or if we were given it in this format, we would write the answer just like that. Thank you.